How does baking temperature affect muffins? Let's find out. I made the vanilla muffin powder and baked it 2 ways. After 5 minutes of baking, the low temperature muffins had the flat tops, while the high temperature muffins already had the dome tops. In the end, all muffins had a similar rise. Low temperature muffins had a more uniform surface than the high temperature muffins. Inside, high temperature muffins had a more uniform crumb, while the low temperature ones had a few larger air pockets. All muffins were soft and tasty, but baking temperature did affect how they looked outside and inside.